In this video, you'll learn how to unlock objects on a spread so you can freely select and edit them. This is especially useful when you're working in a layout and suddenly find that a frame or piece of text just won't let you click or move it. That usually means it's locked, and unlocking it is very quick once you know where to look. I'll walk you through the process step by step and explain what's happening along the way. Let's start with a frame that you want to edit. First, make sure you have the selection tool active. This is the standard black arrow tool that you use to click, move, and resize objects. You can choose it from the tools panel, or if you prefer shortcuts, you can tap the V key on your keyboard to switch to it. Having the selection tool active ensures that once your objects are unlocked, you can immediately click and start working with them. Now, when a frame is locked, you may notice that you can't move it, resize it, or sometimes even select it properly. To fix this across the entire spread, go up to the top menu bar and look for the object menu. Click on object to open the drop-down. In that list, you'll see an option called Unlock All on Spread. Go ahead and choose Unlock All on Spread. What this does is unlock every locked object on the current spread you're viewing. A spread usually means the page or pages that are visible together in your layout, such as a two-page magazine spread. By choosing Unlock All on Spread, the software removes the locked status from any frames, images, or text containers that were previously locked on that spread. This is really helpful if you're not sure which items are locked, or if there are several of them. Instead of hunting each one down, you clear them all in one go. Once you've done that, try clicking on your frame again with the selection tool. You should now be able to select, move, and adjust it as needed. The same goes for any text frames or other objects that were locked before. Everything on that spread that was locked is now free to edit. Sometimes, though, you may only want to unlock one specific frame instead of every locked object on the spread. In that case, there's a more targeted method. If you can at least select or right-click on the frame you're interested in, simply right-click directly on that frame. A context menu will appear next to your cursor. In that menu, look for the option labeled Unlock and click it. This unlock command only affects the frame you right-clicked on. It leaves any other locked items in place, which can be useful if you intentionally locked some parts of the design to avoid moving them by accident. After you choose Unlock, you can immediately use the selection tool to move or edit that single frame. To recap the workflow, make sure you're using the selection tool, use Object, then Unlock All on Spread if you want to unlock everything on the current spread, or right-click a specific frame and choose Unlock if you only want to free up that one object. With these options, you'll be able to quickly resolve any issues with unresponsive frames and keep your layout